And I invite you now to take a nice, long, cleansing, deep breath with me. Just let your body relax. Let your body relax. As we take a time out from the hustle and bustle of life, and we tune in to the divine life at the center of our being that nurtures us, that nourishes us, that heals us, that thrills us, that uplifts us. We let our bodies relax now, sending the message to every muscle, relax and let go. Becoming aware of the feet, feeling the feet relax. Relaxing the calves and the thighs. Relaxing the hips, the pelvic area, the buttocks. Allowing your abdomen and stomach to relax. Relaxing the muscles in your chest, your shoulders, your arms, your forearms, your wrists, your hands, your fingers. Letting go and relaxing. Sending the message to the muscles in your back. Relax, relax, relax. Feel the muscles letting go. Relaxing the muscles in your neck, the front, the back, the sides. Letting go and relaxing. Good. Become aware of your jaw, relaxing the muscles in your jaw, your face, your eyes, your nose, your lips, your tongue, your ears, your forehead, your scalp, your whole body from the top of your head to the bottoms of your feet. Letting go, 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 letting go. Just relaxing. Being present. Right here, right now. Where Spirit is, where God is. In the wilderness, when Moses heard God speak, he said, I am that I am. Not I was or I will be. I am that I am. Right here, right now. Spirit is, and Spirit is expressing in and through and as you. God's name, I am. God's name in and as you, I am. I am being itself. I am consciousness. I am divine light, love, wisdom, power, and all good, expressing in and through and as me. This is what Jesus meant when he said, I and the Father are one. Before Abraham was, I am. He totally identified and knew his reality, his unity, his oneness with the source, with presence, with Spirit. I and the Father are one. And the same is true for you and for me. I and the Spirit are one. I and the source are one. The late Eric Butterworth said that it would have been more correct spiritually, though not grammatically correct, to to say, I and the Father is one. Because it's not two, it's one. You and God, oneness, presence. Let us take a few minutes now to know this, to move beyond words, beyond thoughts, and to know within ourselves, I and the Spirit are one. In the quiet now. Imagine that Spirit now radiating in you and through you and as you, as light filling your whole being and body. Whatever color light you like to imagine. Feel yourself radiant light, filling the room where you are, expanding outward from you in all directions. And now see from that place of light. See your loved ones and friends, radiant beings of spiritual energy. See your friends and family as expressions of spirit, whole and complete, happy, peaceful, joyful, secure, confident, eternal, strong. What quality would you like to know for a loved one right now? See and feel them radiating and expressing that quality. This is our prayer for them. And we include all those whose names have been submitted to the Unity Center for prayer, knowing that each one is whole and complete. And we expand our awareness to include every person on the planet. We include the planet itself. We include all the animals. We include all life, flowers, mountains, oceans, all of life, acknowledging the ever-present source ever-present Spirit in all, through all. And we just know and feel peace and harmony, love, order, joy in all things, in all and through all. And deep in our hearts, we know that all is well. All is well. For Spirit is one presence and power. Spirit is the highest reality, the unchanging, eternal reality through all time, through all space. Light, God's light, Spirit's presence. And we are grateful. And now, as we bring our awareness back to our body, moving hands, moving fingers, hearing the sounds around us, we come back into the awareness of our surroundings with a new consciousness. In some way during this time, we have released more of who we are as a spiritual being, an expression of Spirit. And now we let God be God in and through and as us. And we are so very grateful. And so it is. Amen.
Thank you for meditating with me. Remember to subscribe to my channel for more meditations as they go live. Click above for a list of previous meditations so that you can meditate with me on your own time, anytime.